Want to make money online but think you need experience? Think again. Here are 5 online jobs you can start today. No skills, no problem. Let's jump in. First, freelance writing. If you can write clearly, you can get paid. Platforms like Fiverr or Textbroker let you write blogs, product descriptions, or emails. Start small, deliver quality, and raise your rate as you gain reviews. Second, virtual assistant. Businesses need help with emails, scheduling, and data entry. You can find these jobs on Upwork, People Per Hour, and even Facebook groups. No degree, just basic organization and communication skills. Third, print on demand. Sites like Redbubble or Teespring let you sell custom merch. You upload a design. They handle printing and shipping. No inventory, no upfront cost, just creativity. Fourth, user testing. Companies pay for feedback on their websites or apps. Sites like User Testing pay you $10 for a 20-minute review. All you need is a mic and honest opinions. Fifth, remote customer support. Answer emails or chats for companies from home. Look on Remote OK, We Work Remotely, or Indeed. You just need a good internet connection and patience. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, these sound too easy. Are these real? And I'm here to tell you they are. But like anything, the more effort you put in, the more you'll get out. So which one would you try first? Drop it in the comments.